Hey guys, Dolly here. I'm on Roblox again. I'm talking to my younger cousin. You can't hear. I don't know why. So yeah. So I I don't know what you don't know what we can do since she has Robux now, and she doesn't want to change her avatar. She doesn't have to. Listen, Taylor, you didn't. Cause listen, Taylor, when you bought those items, you never actually bought them. They were probably for free. I actually don't know. I love wolves. Like, ow, ow. What the heck is this? You guys may think I'm crazy, but I don't care what you think. What you think? What you think? No, I'm not, Taylor. I swear to God, because you're just. Okay, Tay. Just be quiet. Just was the flow you believe it. You make me a believer. Just was the flower you ever. Oh, 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 don't you know how much it hurts to leave you. Don't you know? I just need you to know. I don't want to leave. I never have, never thought of it. Now I do, now I do. 'Cause you cheated. Oh, don't you know how much it hurts? Don't you know? Mm-mm. You don't. No, you don't. I don't have. Let's see whose island this is, because I can take this. I didn't want to be a part of it. I'm gonna take their stuff. Give me the tree. Give me the tree. I'm not. I don't. Stop. Hurry up. Mm. F. Gotta take this first. Is that a walrus? My God, this thing has so much damage level. I'm pretty sure people are. Nope. Let me leave the game. I gotta leave the game. Oh my God, I just left inside. Oh my God. I don't know what I do. I think I'm just gonna go play Animal Jam. Delta Dawn, what's the flower you have on? The reason I'm not doing screen caps, what am I talking about? Talking about. Why? Why? That's my friend, Emily. She's just not playing yet with him. Yeah, I think people can hear when I click, so I want to get into the basement of secrets, but I don't know how. What? That scared me. So bad. Like, I want to go see Grace Spirit 9, but I can't because he's always doing something today. Oh, God. What is my life? Like, I sing at certain parts of the... let's see. Here's actually the host. Oh, I was going to scream. Like, nope, can't put my username. Rex. I'm recording. Recording. Base game. Oh. Let's go. People are just walking up everything. Do you not understand how that triggers me? Let's go to here. What the heck? What's his name? You can't hear the music right now, but it's really cool. Oh! Oh my god! I have to leave as soon as I could. No! Get out of my hand! I gotta lock it. No, lock it! Because I know he's gonna be in there. And then she's like, I don't want to scream for this, but I will. I'm sorry. I need to rip headphone users. I'm so sorry. Just, oh my god, look, appreciate this art. Just like, wow, I love how this art looks. I literally don't. There's like not that much color into it. Let me get my Powerade that looks like blood and stains my mouth. Ah! I don't think I have blood on my mouth, so I just like rub my drink on me. Wee-woo! Stop! keep staying. Bye. Lily Wolf, Lily Wolf. Why are there so many members? I just want some good wolf art. That's hard to ask. Goodbye now. Goodbye! I'm kidding. I'm just going to say that normally. Goodbye. And please don't have headphones on. Warning at the ending of the video, I know. Just rest in peace, headphone users.